Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of watching my video, thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to press the red subscribe button and also like this video. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created the look in the picture at the beginning of this video. So stay tuned and watch how I did it. So for this strawcurl wig, I used the multi-crochet Diaminafauxlocks in the color 39, and of course a wigcap and a matching thread. I strongly advise that you get a matching thread so your thread won't be seen in the sewing. So for the method I use, I just did the first line on a zigzag. So this video is very self-explained. I've made it very easy for anyone to understand. So I'll leave you now to watch this video and see you at the very end, where I'll be showing you how you can part this wig and do the final. So this is where I did my side pattern. What I did is space it out a bit on that very side I wanted my parts. So I gave I think about an inch space or 2 inches space, and then getting to the back I just continue sewing so closely again. Just on that spot I gave a bit of space, and the rest were all sewn closely to each other, as you can see on the video. So I'll leave you to continue watching until the end of this video while I'll show you the final stage. Donc at this stage the hair is almost done, but not yet. And before going ahead to cut, I did a tagging of all the edge that I bent over, so when I cut I don't start having a loose ends. So I went ahead to tag every side that I bent, just all around tagging, passing in the needle on each side to the back. So this is the stage where I came in with scissors to cut and just pull out the baby hairs to make the fronts look defined. So I've done some trimming at the front, to the back, pulling out the baby hair. I tell you, this hair look amazing. It was so cute. Even when I had to try it on, but I couldn't get a video of it. But it was so cute like this. But I wanted something else, something less defined of the color, so I went ahead to brush, share and subscribe. Okay, I promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you next time on my next video. Bye.